In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent, click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom right corner to continue. Select Set as Default, tap Yes, click on Apply to Home Screen and Lock Screen, and finally close your app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!